I'm going to show you how to make an egg muffin. Boom. Boom. Look at that. Look at the inside. Let's try. Wow, it's very good. Hey guys, welcome to Cooking for Kids TV. I'm Chef Ethan, and I'm going to show you how to make an egg muffin. And if you hear any noise, it's a little bit raining. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the button, you'll get notified on all the videos we do. And first, alright, I'm going to show you how to cut ham. You can grab 3 pieces or more. Now, I'm going to cut it. Now the same way, cut up cheese. Turn them around. Alright, now I'm going to cut the other side. Now same with bread. Prepare everything ahead and start mixing. Next egg, and I'm only using 2 eggs. And then you gotta grab your whisker, then mix. And you gotta do like a up, like in the circle technique. Alright, then add a pinch of salt. Now mix. Alright, now let's add the milk. I'm only adding a little bit because I don't want to overdo it. Then I added the milk. Now I'm going to mix it. Alright. I'm going to add a little bit more milk. Half. Yeah, I think that's good. Alright, so I'm going to pretty sure mix it, and like I added 2 eggs because I'm making like 6 of these like cupcakes. I mean muffins. So yeah. Alright, now I'm gonna pour it in here so it's easy, way easier, like very easy to pour. No measurements, just the whole thing. Then you spray it. Boom. Add the bread. Put them evenly bread. Yeah, oh, that's good. Boom, 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 ba-doom. I'm hungry, so that's why I'm like, Boom, and you gotta put the oven 450 Fahrenheit and 12 minutes, but these are not done yet. And then you gotta add the cheese, put them evenly, right around. Don't just put them in one spot. Boom. Boom at all, I say. All right, evenly. Boom, done. Now, ham, my favorite. And comment down below if you love this when you make it, and very delicious. I'm gonna think once this is done, it's probably gonna taste delicious. Then fill up equally. equally with egg. And the egg grows, so be careful. Boom. Boom. Done? You could also add bread if you need some more. Use spoons to like pat it down. Don't want to get my hands dirty. Like that, that's enough. Let's put some here, some here, some here, some here. And then add the last pieces of bread. Alright, make sure you add the bread and pat it down so the egg gets soaked in the bread, and you do not want it dry. And mix it a little, not too much or fall out the pan. Alright, boom. Then you gotta pop it into the oven. Alright, for 12 minutes. Boom. Boom. Now let's try this out. And this is good for breakfast when you could just wake up early before everybody like me and then just cook breakfast and surprise them with this. Now I'm gonna try. I'm gonna take this one. This is a good one. It's a little hot. That looks so good. Look at that. Look at the inside. And I could see the smoke coming out. Alright, now let's try. Wow, it's very good. Trust me. Yeah, people will love you making this. Your family will be like, make this every day for us because this is so good. And also, you could just make this, take it to the park and the beach, a pool party, whatever. And then, boom, enjoy your breakfast or dinner. This is real good. I can't stop eating. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and get notified on all the videos we do. My name is Ethan, and I'm so fresh. One day Gordon Ramsay will call me the top chef, teaching kids how to cook, cooking yes I love. And the motto is tap it down, muscle up. Future YouTube stars, you already know. Just like Jake Paul, it's every day, bruh. Love hands, my friends, having fun is what we do. I'm smart, I am strong, and I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of you. Who the pro now? Who the pro now? Hey, hey, hey. I'm not scared of you. I'm not scared of you. Who the pro now? Who the pro now? Hey, 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 hey. That's the end. Hope you subscribe, hit the bell, link in the description, and whoever made this and tried. And the shout out goes to Awesome Dudes 123. Thanks for trying it and saying you loved it. I love you too. And I hope you had a great day today. And I hope you make it more. And bye. Love you. Bye. Look at that. Look at the inside.